Hello, hello. If you've never seen me before, I'm Coin Ring Maker from coinringmaker.com. I make coins into rings, and today we're going to be working on state quarter coin rings. If you'd like to check them out, you can tap the little shopping bag down here. I have set up a flash sale, but it's not quite started yet. So in about 30 seconds, that flash sale will go live. But if you guys have any questions while I work, feel free to put them in the chat. Let's make this into a ring. So I'll let you know as soon as that flash sale is live, so you can jump on it. But yeah, I've got these in all 50 states. You can pick your size and your state, and I'll get to work on it for you. Okay, the copper one is on sale for $20 right now, and the silver version is about to go on sale. Just 1 second. 2, 1. Okay, you can get the 90% silver version for $75 right now. So tap the little shopping bag down there if you'd like to get one. If you have any questions, again, just put them in the chat. Let's make a ring. Dang, we already got 1,000 likes on this live. That's what's up, guys. Thanks for tapping the screen. Is our California quarter so far. The next step is to clean up this inside edge right here. So for that, I like to use a deburring tool. Try and set up my camera. It wants to lean a little today. There we go. So yeah, this is my deburring tool. It's just a really sharp curved blade, and we're just going to cut away that rough edge there. Again, these state quarter coin rings are on sale right now. If you'd like to get one, tap the little shopping bag at the bottom of the screen. Just pick your size and state. I've got them in copper and 90% silver. So go take a look if you haven't yet. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the chat. And if you're enjoying the live, tap the screen. Got 2,500 likes on this live. Let's go. And I am all caught up after I finish this one, so if you order a ring right now, there's a good chance you'll get to see it made on this live. That's like first come, first serve kind of thing, but I am all caught up after this one. Very nice. Smooth it out just a little bit more. Almost got 3,000 likes on this live. Tap the screen if you're enjoying the show. If you'd like to get a coin ring, tap the little shopping bag down here. And if you have any questions, please put them in the chat. Don't be shy. Questions definitely make the live more interesting. So if there's anything you'd like to know, anything I can help you with, put it in the comments. All right, we're gonna head over here to the 1-ton arbor press and fold our ring a few times. Very nice. $75 for a silver quarter coin ring. That is handmade and delivered within about a week. If you can get silver handmade jewelry, faster for less, you know, props to you. But honestly, 75 bucks is a pretty good price. Usually they sell for 100. So yeah, if you'd like to get one for $75, they are on sale. Tap a little shopping bag right there. For anyone who's just joined in, we're making coins into rings, specifically focusing on state quarter coin rings today. Got all 50 states available. You can get it in copper or 90% silver, and both versions are on sale right now if you want to tap a little shopping bag and take a look. If you have any questions, please put them in the chat. Thanks for watching. I'm currently working on a California quarter, for anyone who's curious. And it's looking really nice. So the next thing I need to do is, if you look on the inside of the ring here, there's a bit of a lip or a raised bit of metal there. We're gonna go ahead and cut that away. Howdy, howdy. How you doing today, Van? I am curious, does it say flash sale right now? Does it say anything like that? Want a silver one, $1 one, so bad, but I have huge fingers. I can do a silver dollar up to like size 16. Nice. Everyone but Van can see it. Awesome. That's what you need. I can do it. I have one Morgan dollar left. It's a 1921. If you'd like to order that, you can go through the link on my website or on my TikTok profile, or just go to buycoinrings.com and you can order that, and I'll get to work on it for you. If anybody wants a state quarter coin ring, you can tap a little shopping bag at the bottom of the screen. Sounds good, man. If you need any help along the way, let me know. I just finished another Morgan dollar earlier today. I'm like, oh, I'm down to my last one. I guess I'm out. Says flash sale if you open TikTok shop. Okay, cool. I mean, there is a flash sale right now. Check it out. Over $20 off the copper and silver version. Blue. A little tongue-tied today. But yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. If you're looking for something specific, I will try and point you in the right direction. Do I have any 1986S proofs? I don't think so. I don't have a whole lot from the 80s. There's a gap between like 1964 and 1992 where there's just not a lot of silver in between those years. So I don't have a whole lot from the 80s specifically. It's mostly just copper quarters and half dollars for 86, I think. I do have Michigan, and I do have 1955. Unfortunately, with the state quarters, they were only made 1 year each. So the one I'm working on right now, this one's a California. It was only ever made in 2005. So they've never reproduced it any other year. So you can't really mix and match years and states. But you can get two separate coin rings. So you can get a Michigan quarter and a 1955 quarter. I have the 1955s available on my website, which you can find on my TikTok profile, or go to buycoinrings.com. You can find it there as well. Looking for a 1965 half dollar. I've got it. Those are 40% silver, but they are available on my website, buycoinrings.com. You can find that through the link in my TikTok profile. This one's a little too big. Do I have any 1999 misprint quarters? No. I do have a Duke Ellington double die. It's probably the rarest coin I found. It's pretty cool. Yeah, if you're looking for a specific quarter, I'll try and pull it out for you. I'm almost done with this one. Let me get it to the right size real quick, and then I'll show it off. I mean, it will be polished later tonight, so it's not as shiny as it'll be when I send it out. It's still kind of raw, but you'll have your state really clearly visible when you wear the ring on the top of your knuckle. You can also switch it around and have the date the coin was made showing. That looks good as well. But yeah, I've got these in all 50 states, in copper and 90% silver. If you'd like to get one, tap the little shopping bag down here. Yeah, Mr. Roll, just let me know what quarter you'd like to see. I'll show you. Found where to buy it, but it doesn't give me an option to choose the size. Okay, you may have found it through the TikTok shop. You should be able to leave a note when you place an order. Just say size 16. Like, I'll remember you. Like, so I already know it's going to be 16. But yeah, just leave a note on there. It shouldn't be too difficult to do. If you're not able to find the place to leave a note, I can do it on my side. So once I see the order come in, I can add the ring size for you. Moving some stuff over to TikTok shop from my website's a little tricky. They want me to inventory everything down to like the size of the ring, and that really throws off my inventory. So I would basically have to say I have one of those available in every possible size when I really don't. So on some rings like that, I've just left the ring size option off, so you can just add it as a note. If you'd like to send me a coin, there's a button on my TikTok profile that says Get Quote. Just tap on that. It'll ask you a few questions about the coin you'd like me to work on, and I can get back to you with how much it would cost. So yeah, I can do custom orders. You just need to go through the Get Quote button on my profile. All right, guys, I'm all caught up here. So if you do place an order on this live, the next order placed, you'll get to watch the ring made. That's pretty cool. If you'd like to get one, tap the little shopping bag down here. If you have any questions, let me know. The copper and silver version are currently more than $20 off, so it's a pretty good deal too. Check it out. Did I get your feedback on the Morgan? What was that? The email? Where you were like, it's very nice? Sometimes I have a hard time matching like TikTok profiles with emails. So I think that's what you're talking about. But I could be wrong. I made 2 Morgans this week, so I'm trying to figure out if yours is the one. I think you didn't have the year you could. Yeah. So I finished that one today. It's out in the mail. We ended up making the 1898. It came out really nice. I can actually, I'll email you a picture of it once I get off of here. I'd meant to send you a picture, but I wanted to get it out in the mail. So it's on the way to you right now. It was actually hard to let go of. It's really pretty, and really comfortable. Like I kind of wanted to keep it, but I think you'll appreciate it. You'll definitely like it a lot. It's a really nice ring. I didn't want to let it go. Yep, I've only got 1 Morgan dollar left now. I'm gonna have to restock on those. But if anybody wants a steak quarter coin ring, they're more than $20 off right now. If I get an order on this live, you'll get to see me make it, at least the next order that comes in. I've got them in copper and 90% silver. I can do half and quarter sizes if you need that. Just leave a note. And if you have any questions, please put them in the chat. This is the California quarter coin ring we just finished. Pretty nice. So yeah, we're just gonna stare at the rings I made today and let you guys go check out the flash sale. And if we get any orders in, we'll make them. Awesome. Yep, take a look at the flash sale. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. So these 2 are copper versions. You can see like the reddish tone on the inside cut edge right underneath the reading there. Whereas the 90% silver version, it's gonna be silver all the way through. Well, 90%, but there's a bit of a better shine with the silver version. It's a bit more reflective. They are made with proof coins, so the details on the coins themselves are a bit sharper. They look really good. I mean, the copper doesn't look bad, but the silver is it's really nice. It looks like we do have an order that came in. Let's see what we got.